2024 Cadillac Lyriq. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its power driver seat, power passenger seat, rain sensing wipers, power liftgate, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, universal garage door opener, power side view mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers. Take home the car of your dreams today.